If you are a cafeteria supplier, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your school cafeteria supplier business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding availability, pricing, orders, stocks and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for school cafeteria supplier business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, we need to open WhatsApp web, and over here, I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a welcome message in which they say hello from Pabbly, school cafeteria supplier simplified, and with that they have given me 3 action button: place a new order, check inventory and need help. I'm going to select check inventory right now. As soon as I have selected check inventory, I got a message about the live inventory in which they have mentioned all the suppliers, and with that they have given me 2 action button: place a new order and menu. Let's click on place a new order. As soon as I have selected place a new order, they want few details of mine to place my order, like item name. I will enter all the item I want to order. Now they want quantity. As soon as I have mentioned my quantity, now they want to know about the date. I will enter that. Now, as they got every single details, they have sent me a confirmation message in which they mention that order received, you will get a confirmation ETA shortly. With that, they have provided me 2 action button: menu and need help. I will click on menu option, and with that, they have given me initial message again. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds and made my customer experience so much fun and better. That too without any manual efforts. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Over here, you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on Access Now button of that. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow dashboard page. To add your WhatsApp number, you just need to click Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Under this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp Business account with it. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer without opening WhatsApp separately. After that, there is contact section where you can create new contacts and manage according to your requirement. After that, there is team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, there is broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. After that, there is flow section. It is a powerful tool to create chatbot in Pabbly Chatflow. Below that, there is AI assistant, activity log, setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box as well. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, you need to click on flow option and you will be redirected to the flow builder page. To make a new flow, you need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. As soon as you will click on add flow button, you will be landed on this page. Here you can see a window is open named by flow start. Now to build a flow, first you need to give a meaningful name to your flow. We are making this chatbot for school, cafeteria, supplier. I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your school, cafeteria, supplier business. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about three main features, which are keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use regex, which will understand what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop text button over here and connect with my flow start. Over here, I'm going to write a message. Hello from Pabbly School Cafeteria Supplier Simplified. We help school manage order, delivery and stock right here on WhatsApp. Please choose an option below. And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text. Place a new order. For my next action button, again, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text. Check inventory. And for my last action button, I will enter need help. Now, after putting 3 action button, I want to give separate message for each action button. For that, let's start with place an order. To place an order for my customer, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question button and connect with my action button, which is place an order. Over here, I'm going to write a message. Ready to refill your pantry? Please send the list in the format of item name. I'm going to select my contact custom field as item and my format as any. After knowing the item name, next thing I want to know is about the quantity. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question and connect with my previous question. Over here, I'm going to enter my message. Please send quantity. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as quantity and my format as any. Now, after knowing the quantity, I want to know about the date and time. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question button, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please send date. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as date and format as any. Now, you must be wondering how to add this contact custom field. For that, you need to save your flow. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is saved. Now come with me to the settings section. Over here, you can see a feature is given named by contact custom field. As soon as you will click on this, you will be landed on this page. Here you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have added multiple contact custom field over here. Now I will resume back to my flow. Now, after taking every single detail from my customer, I want to send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, which says order received. You will get a confirmation and ETA shortly. With that, I'm going to provide 2 action button, menu and need help. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. And I'm going to give a separate message for need help, in which I have mentioned that our team will contact you shortly. For urgency, I have also provided our number and our response time is 10 minutes. Now, as we are done with our first action button, let's move to our next action button, which is check inventory. For this, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, in which I will mention all the inventory that are present with us, like this. And with that, I'm going to provide 2 action button, place an order and menu. I'm going to connect place an order button with our initial question, as we have already filled details for that. And I'm going to connect menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on menu button, they will get initial message again. Now let's move to our third action button, which is need help. For need help button, we have already put a message. I'm just going to connect this button with need help message like this. So yes, as you can see, I have filled all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for school cafeteria supplier business. Don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, my flow is updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.